आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 7th जेम्स इंग्लिश बुक के चैप्टर हैरोल्ड अवर हॉर्नबिल के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को। और आज हमारे सामने जो ये वीडियो है ये सिल्वर जुबली एडिशन बुक के आंसर्स हैं। तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं। टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हैरोल्ड्स फादर बुल्ड अ वॉल ऑफ डैश अराउंड अ होल इन अ ट्री ट्रंक। कि पेड़ के तने में जिसमें उनका घोंसला बना हुआ था, तो उस वहाँ पर होल के चारों तरफ हैरोल्ड के फादर ने एक दीवार बनाई थी। किसकी? आंसर इज अर्थ, स्टिक्स एंड डंग। सेकेंड, व्हेन द नरेटर सेड हैरोल्ड हैड अ स्टमक दैट कुड नेवर बी फिल्ड। इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है आंसर ए वॉज ऑलवेज हंग्री, कि हैरोल्ड जो है वो हमेशा भूखा रहता है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द इनक्लोजर इज in the veranda was not required after a while because answer is because Harold made no effort to go away, क्योंकि हैरोल्ड अब बाहर निकलने की कोशिश नहीं करता था, घर से बाहर जाने की कोशिश नहीं करता था, इसलिए उसे खुला छोड़ने मतलब उसमें अब इंक्लोजर को रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी। आते हैं बी क्वेश्चन, जिसमें सेंटेंस को पढ़कर क्वेश्चंस के जवाब देने हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए पूछा गया है हु वॉज अवेकन्ड, कि यहाँ पर कौन जागा? आंसर इज हैरोल्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, हु हैड डिस्टर्ब्ड हिम, उसको किसने डिस्टर्ब किया? आंसर इज अ कैवियट कैट हैड डिस्टर्ब्ड हिम। क्वेश्चन सी, वेयर वॉज ही टेकिंग हिज siesta? आंसर, ही वॉज टेकिंग हिज siesta इन द नेस्ट हिज पेरेंट built in the tree trunk. Second, grandfather and I took over the duties of his parent. Question A, why did the narrator and his grandfather take on the duties of Harold's parents? Answer, they took on duty because Harold had fallen out of his nest and could not survive on his own. Question B, what were these duties? Answer, these duties include feeding Harold and taking care of him. Question C, did Harold accept them as his parents? Answer is yes, Harold accepted them as his parents. Third, question number A, who was willing to share his food with whom? Answer is Harold was willing to share his food with the narrator and his grandfather. Question number B, what food did he share with the narrator? Answer is Harold shared bananas and sometimes tried to feed the narrator with his great beak. Question number C, what food did he like? Answer is Harold liked banana, dates, bowl of boiled rice, fruit, insects and greens. Question number 4, he would summon me with raucous bark and vigorous bang of his bill in the woodwork of the kitchen willow. Question number A, who is being referred to as he in these lines? Answer, Harold the Hornbill is being referred to. Question number B, whom did he summon with raucous bark? He summoned the narrator. Question C, what was the reason for his urgent summons? The reason was that he wanted food. Question 5 A, when did Harold chuckle? Harold chuckled when it was about to rain. Question B, when did his chuckle change to a whistle? His chuckle changed to a whistle as the storm cloud gathered and gusts of wind shook the banana trees. Question C, did Harold whistle indicate excitement or a warning? Answer, Harold whistle indicate excitement. Question number C, first question, describe Harold's parents. Harold's mother was very careful and dedicated, staying walled up in the nest to take care for Harold. His father was easygoing but supportive, bringing food and protecting the nest. Question second, why did Harold fall out of his nest? Answer, Harold fell out of his nest during a fight between his parents and a caviat cat that had broken into the nest. Question 3, how did Harold improve his appearance periodically? Answer, Harold used a gland about the root of his tail feather to produce a rich yellow fluid, which he applied to his feather and neck as a kind of rub. Question number 4, describe the way Harold ate the rice bowl that the narrator threw at him. Answer, Harold would catch the rice bowl in his beak, toss them in the air and let them drop into his open mouth. Question number 5. Which habit of Harold irritated Aunt Ruby? Harold's habit of chuckling before it rained irritated Aunt Ruby, as she would often get catch in the rain. Think and answer. The Hornbill become an adopted member of the narrator family. Did you agree? Justify your answer. Answer is yes. Harold became an adopted member of the narrator's family. He was cared for and fed by the narrator and his grandmother. He interacted with various family members and he participated in family activity like the veranda tea parties. Question number 2. Do you agree that the hornbill seems to have human characteristics in the story? Identify the word and phrases that Ruskin Bond has used to convey this. Answer is yes. Harold is given human characteristics in the story. Face like good nature and friendly. Share his food. Summon me with reckless bark and his chuckle will change to an airy whistle. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारा ये आंसर खत्म होता है. बाकी की एक्सरसाइज जैसे कि ग्रामर स्टडी, राइटिंग पार्ट, जो भी बाकी का बचा हुआ है, वो आपको दूसरी वीडियो में मिल जाएगा, जिसका लिंक आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन से मिलेगा. मैंने पहले भी एक इसी चैप्टर की पुरानी वीडियो अपलोड की हुई है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की और एक्सरसाइज की. एक्सरसाइज वही सेम है, तो इसलिए मैंने एक्सरसाइज को फिर से रिपीट नहीं किया है. क्वेश्चन आंसर में कुछ बदलाव थे, कुछ क्वेश्चन चेंज हुए थे, इसलिए क्वेश्चन आंसर्स मैंने फिर से अपलोड किए हैं. एक्सरसाइज आपको दूसरी वीडियो में उसी में मिल जाएगी, जिसका लिंक मैं आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन से दे दूँगा.